A snake just caught a rat right there. I'm hoping I could not disturb it. Nice. That's why usually I leave those snakes alone. Snakes gotta eat. That's it. I think that might be eggshells right there. I wonder if that snake had babies up there, or if it just ate eggs and was spitting the shells out. There's a hole up there that it's coming down out of. Like, now what's it gonna do? Phoebe, get out of there. Hey, get out. Just trying to focus on the tree in the back. If I do it like this. Can it carry it back in the hole with it? It's gonna drop it. Oh, you dropped it.